International Albinism Awareness Day, 13 June. What is International Albinism Awareness Day? People with albinism face multiple forms of discrimination worldwide. Albinism is still profounded, misunderstood socially and medically. The physical appearance of persons with albinism is often the object of erroneous beliefs and myths influenced by superstition, which foster their marginalization and social exclusion. This leads to various forms of stigma and discrimination. In some communities, erroneous beliefs and myths heavily influenced by superstition, but the security and lives of persons with albinism at constant risk. These beliefs and myths are centuries old and are present in cultural attitudes and practices around the world. The United Nations Human Rights Council adopted a resolution in 2013 calling for the prevention of attacks and discrimination against persons with albinism. Moreover, in response to the call from civil society organizations advocating to consider persons with albinism as a specific group with particular needs that require special attention. The Council created the mandate of the independent expert on the enjoyment of human rights by persons with albinism. Thank you. Have a nice day.